everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to BlackPress employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.blackpressmedia.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of BlackPress Media, which looks like this. From the official web page, scroll all the way down and at the end of the page, under iServices, click on the BC Employee Login option. Doing this will take you to the Employee Self-Service Login portal. As an employee, you can go ahead and enter your user ID in the first text box, followed by your valid password. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions till the end in order to reset to a new password. After filling in your user ID and password, click the Login button in order to access your BlackPress Media employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.